Your Sony WH-1000XM6 on charge, no power, battery dying fast or not charging. Let's fix all those common battery problems quick and easy. So first you have to check the charging port. Sometimes dust or dirt can build up inside and block the connection. So use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to gently clean it out, because this alone often fixes the problem. If cleaning doesn't help, try using a different charger, cable or wall adapter, because the one you are using might be faulty or damaged. So swipe it with one you know works well and see if the headphones start charging. Sometimes just unplugging the charger and plugging it back in can help reset the connection and get the charging started properly. Next, check if the battery is completely drained, especially if the headphones haven't been used in a while. They may need more time to start up. So leave them plugged in for at least 30 minutes before trying to turn them on. Next, you have to check for firmware updates. So open the Sony Headphones Connect app and check if there's firmware update available. If there is, install it, because updates can fix bugs that affect charging or performance. Next, you have to avoid charge your headphones in direct sunlight or near heat sources, because too much heat can damage the battery or cause it to drain faster than usual. Now you can try to fix the issue by doing a hard reset. For that, you have to press and hold the power button and the noise cancellation button at the same time for about 20 to 30 seconds until the blue light blinks 4 times. But if none of the steps above work, the battery might be on out. In that case, you have to contact Sony support or a certified repair center for battery replacement options. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.